guys, this car was modified 20 years back. आपको देख के लगेगा ही नहीं किसी भी एंगल से. And finally, I've managed to get hold of the owner. And we have been planning to put this car since quite some time, but this was not possible. So somehow we have made this, and we are in this lovely location. I have placed it here. We are at the metro. So दोस्तों चले वीडियो की शुरुआत करते हैं. इससे पहले I want to show you something like this.
Perfect.
I hope इस कार का सिनेमैटिक शॉट्स आप सबको बहुत पसंद आया होगा. So we have the owner of this car here. Bro, welcome to my channel.
Hey,
So what is your name?
I'm Vishal Tiwari, and this is my car. And Dipankar is right. So this is almost this is a '99 model, by the way.
Okay.
I modified it back in 2001.
Okay.
And the thing is, back in the days, we were not heavy into fiber, right? So it's all metal. So most of the fabrication is actually done out of metal, which needs a lot of handwork,
Okay.
right? Or जो हिंदी में कारीगरी कहते हैं. So that time it was all done in fiber, and the music system was done by Anwar from Top Gear.
Okay.
So yeah, he's pretty much gone all out. It's got 2 subwoofers, 2 amplifiers, it's got components, it's got infinity, 3-way ovals,
There's nothing
crossover. Yeah.
एक ही चीज बाकी है, the alloys.
Yeah, so I so it actually had 13-inch alloys. I've pulled them out now because I want to upgrade it to 15-inch.
Okay.
I've also widened the arches so it can accommodate a 15-inch alloy and a low-profile tire. So basically the thing was he wanted everything to be in the straight line. So when he designed it, so basically all these edges and even at the back they all line up. So this is the design that my friend drew, right? And after drawing it, like, he was very specific that it has to turn out this way. So he sat with the tinker and then
Okay.
yeah. So yeah, close to a lakh change those days for the music system. It has gold-plated RC cables. Skirts and everything on the body kit. Back in those days, maybe 30,000-40,000 those times, and with the car repainted and everything. I'm not sure how much somebody. I'm not sure somebody. So I'm into motorsports. So I do circuit racing. So we are on the circuit. So yeah. I think this year and the last year they were Mecha series, so I have another car.
Okay, you do?
Yeah.
What car is that?
So that is a fully modified Zen, right, which I have, which is running, high compression piston. It's running short ratio gearbox, force suspension. I had an ITB setup for it, individual throttle body.
Okay.
That is set up just for the track. So I do a lot of track practice over here. This is a very simple idea, right? So we actually masked it we marked it and we kind of just painted it, right? So, yeah, so you can imagine all of this design I haven't changed. This was done in the year 2000, right? So it's 21 right now. So you can imagine back in the days it used to look like a bomb, right? So, yeah, this initially, I actually had the Valtronic exhaust system on this, and I had also modified the engine, but now I've gotten it back to a stock form because I really want it to be like how I picked it up, and did it up first in 2000. So I've kind of, got the original engine back, and right now it's just a muffletic. But yeah, and all the Valtronic system has gone to the race car. If I have the voltmeter, the amp meter, and the RPM gauge, and then I have to type out shifter knob and more steering knob. Shifter knob. The pedals over here, to do illuminate. Oh, they do? Yeah, blue illuminate. Yeah, so these mats are Dale Jr. So these are NASCAR. He's a NASCAR driver. Okay. And I went to the US, so when I saw the NASCAR series, I was really intrigued. And
Actually saw the NASCAR series?
Yes.
Oh,
I've
wow.
got the NASCAR.
Yeah.
Pleasant. Crazy experience. It's I would say it's like, if you watch a Formula 1 race from up close, the kind of volume which hits you, NASCAR is a lot more louder than.
Okay.
It shatters your eardrums. I'm very exhilarating.
What about the seats?
The seats are the OE seats. I had the racing recliners, but I've put back the OE seats and just got this re-leathered.
I can see
Yes, it has power windows. So when you lock the car, the windows roll up.
So that was not stock, right?
No, but that is also something that I did back in 2001. So
मतलब इतना अच्छा से काम हुआ है that it is still working, right?
Yes. All of these things,
so good.
The work and the kind of quality of things that we get those days were really good. Really, yeah. And
Gold
even
is gold, right?
Right, and even the car, the body and everything, it's like it's very solid compared to some of the new cars I see now.
Tin.
Yeah,
It's called the tin.
it is quite sturdy.
Okay. So उसमें क्या आपने बॉक्सिंग के स्पीकर रेगुलर कंपोनेंट स्पीकर?
Yeah, so the front are running Boston acoustic.
Okay.
And at the back, I'll show you at the back. For this.
So no luggage space.
Yeah, there's no luggage space, but it does have a stepney. So you basically tilt the seat, tilt the speaker, and you can access the stepney.
Okay.
These are infinity ovals, and it has a Pioneer Freeway series inverted subs. So the subs are inverted this way.
Inverted.
Yeah.
So this was also done years back? Or?
Yes, at the same time. So we did the music system, the skirting, and everything 2001.
So since, when was the time that you stopped everything in this car?
I think from 2001 to 2004, I modified a lot.
Okay.
After that, I picked up other cars, and then I just
आप बोल रहे कि जो ये कार 16 years पहले this was the look?
Yeah, exactly like this. Not 16, 2001 से it's the same look.
20 साल से same look.
Yeah,
कोई
same look.
Change नहीं हुआ.
Nothing.
So I can imagine people look at this car right now. I can imagine 20 years back how
Yeah, 20 years back it was quite a head turner, right?
correct,
So,
right?
yeah.
I mean, head turner definitely. अभी भी it's a head turner. Thank you so much for showing us your car.
Thank you,
And
mate.
my
Thank you
viewers will be waiting for
for the next one.
yeah.
Definitely. And thank you for taking time for covering.
No problem. It's all my pleasure. So I'll see you on my next video, guys. I hope you have liked this video, and if you have liked, please subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching. See you. Bye bye.